I added beer to the eggs and the result was unbelievable. The best egg dish I've ever eaten. First, you need to prepare the eggs. Choose fresh eggs bought from the supermarket. And the indispensable ingredient is a can of beer. This recipe is simple yet incredibly fun, guaranteed to make anyone who sees it want to try it at home. Let's discover how to make this unique dish. Tip 1. First, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. To identify fresh eggs, when you crack an egg, you will see the yolk is round, firm, and does not break. The egg white is thick and clings to the yolk. Then add about 200 milliliters of beer. And whisk thoroughly until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Next, in another bowl, add about 200 grams of flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Slowly pour the prepared egg mixture into the flour, stirring continuously as you pour to combine the ingredients and form a smooth, pliable, and cohesive dough. Once mixed, cover the bowl of dough tightly with plastic wrap and let it rest for about 30 minutes to allow the dough to rise and develop a better texture. While you wait, wash the green onions and chop them finely. This ingredient adds a distinctive flavor to the dish. Once the dough has finished proofing and rising and has reached the desired soft, fluffy texture, add the green onions and mix thoroughly until the onions and dough are fully incorporated. With that, you've completed the preparation and are ready for the next step. Next, place the pan on the stove and heat it up, then add oil to the pan. When the oil reaches about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, you can test it by dipping the tip of a chopstick into it. If you see small bubbles forming, it has reached the desired temperature. Now, take a medium-sized spoon, scoop some hot oil from the pan into the spoon, then add a small amount of batter to the spoon. Hold the spoon in the oil for a moment to let the batter set, then gently drop it into the pan to fry. While frying, keep the heat low so the fritters cook evenly from the inside out, avoiding burning on the outside while the inside remains uncooked. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. When the fritters turn a beautiful golden color, flip them over to fry both sides evenly. Continue this process until all the prepared batter is used up. If you want the pastries to be crispier and have a more appealing color, you can fry them a second time. Even though they're fried in oil, they won't feel greasy if prepared correctly. Next, I prepared the dipping sauce for the dumplings. First, put 1 spoonful of chili sauce into the bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Then use a fork to mix them well. And that completes the egg-based cake recipe. Wow, the dish will naturally puff up when cooked, becoming soft and fluffy inside and slightly crispy outside. Tip 2. How to make a smooth and creamy egg soup. First, place the pot on the stove and add about 500 milliliters of water, then turn on the stove. Next, get a bowl. Crack 3 eggs into the bowl. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then stir well with a fork. Then slowly pour the eggs into the pot. Pour the mixture while stirring continuously to create smooth, creamy egg strands. At this point, the water temperature in the pot is approximately 50 degrees Celsius. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt to the pot. Continue stirring until the salt dissolves. Now for the most important part, add about 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. Add about 50 milliliters of water, then stir well until the powder is completely dissolved. Slowly pour this mixture into the pot, stirring constantly to achieve a smooth and appealing consistency for the soup. After stirring well, continue cooking until it boils. Once the soup has boiled, transfer it to a large bowl. Spring onion. To add aroma to the soup, finely chopped cilantro is indispensable. Finally, add ground pepper. Stir well and enjoy. And there you have it, a delicious, simple, and nutritious egg soup. Conclusion: with just a few simple steps, you'll have a delicious egg and scallion pancake and a bowl of warm, flavorful, and nutritious egg soup for the whole family. If you found this recipe interesting and helpful, please take a moment to like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support me. Your support is what motivates me to keep bringing you even more delicious, simple, and inspiring recipes.